I'm Charlotte from NightSearcher. Are you ready to upgrade your outdoor security lighting? Well, here's the NexSun 1100RC, a high-performance solar-powered floodlight that combines smart motion detection with customizable settings. With a powerful 1100 lumen output, this durable floodlight is perfect for illuminating large areas up to 20 meters, such as driveways, workshops, patios, and gardens, ensuring bright, wide coverage exactly where you need it. For added convenience, the included IR remote lets you switch between 5 lighting modes, so you can adjust settings for motion-activated security, energy-saving operation, or continuous illumination. So, let's see what this light can do. With 5 unique modes, this light offers versatility for any situation. Mode 1, indicated by the yellow light, provides constant low brightness which increases to maximum when motion is detected. Mode 2, indicated by the blue light, only turns on when motion is detected. Mode 3, indicated by the red light, provides constant low light from dusk till dawn. Mode 4, represented by all indicator lights being on at the same time, illuminates when the charge is above 60%. When it is below, it switches back to Mode 2. And Mode 5, represented by all indicator lights blinking, switches on with the remote and offers maximum brightness for 1 hour. And as always, you can enjoy up to 5 years of warranty on our whole solar range.